bus could have stopped, just kept on going through the red light, mate.
What kind of car is this? Nissan Micra.
And Lexus, the Japanese.
Lexus.
Yes, over there as well. You see it? Yeah, on the roof there. See Willy Bird, mummy.
Yeah, really, but in a tiled roof.
Yeah.
And that one's got a skylight.
Yeah.
The one in the green.
Lighting. I thought I'd probably put in the roof at home, put up in the hallway there, because it's dark there. Yeah. Yes, on the outside of the wall. Yes, there's a yes.